making his way to the ring. From Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim, the Anvil, Neidhart!
For the pin. This could be over, King. 2, 3. That's it. There's the pin. This one is over. What an incredible match.
Hey guys, thanks very much for watching that video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more from me, then I'm live on Twitch most days of the week. You can find a link to that down below, along with links to both my Twitter and Discord server, where you can find out when I go live. I look forward to seeing you over on a stream.